Alright, trade recap. Didn't take a trade today just because we were looking, but Loki had bias wrong as fuck. But I know why now. I was bullish because I'd seen the sweep topside here, but then I'd also seen it sweep and then just keep moving bullish. So then I was like, okay, it's just gonna disrespect that sweep, which obviously it hasn't done. And that's an easy lesson because I was like, okay, that's fine. When it sweeps, especially with this good price action. It makes sense why it's bearish. And then even if there was a position, shit would have been like here, divergence. Alright, and then breaker structure occurs because ES is a sweeping pair. Breaker structure occurs like pretty much here. Yeah, it's a bit scrappy. Let's say it happens at 40. But there wasn't even a good position from that. Like, I was looking at it. The only decent shit is after it happens here, there is inverse of this, strong inverse. And then respect of this fair value gap. Which, at the same time on NAS, there is absolutely nothing. But on NASDAQ there is this fair value gap that gets respected after inversing this one. Down here. So I guess you could... But the price action was just kind of piss weak. Like, it was okay to the sweep, but then up here, actually it was okay, and then decent away. Okay, I can see how that, I can fuck with it. But also the breaker structure was pretty icky. Because the breaker structure doesn't even occur here till like, well, depends if you count like that or like, because that didn't break here. But you can see it's bearish because of this bullish candle, then another bearish come below. So yeah, breaker structure I guess is here. And then which happens at the 40 candle also. So I guess, but I had the bias wrong. I was looking for longs. Obviously incorrect. That's easy learning. Like, even when I was thinking, I'm like, oh, I haven't really seen this before. It's a bit orkies, but because it swept with such good price action, it will come bearish. And this could have been just confirmation to get up into an imbalance up here. Like some shit up here. And this was Asian session slowness, so it is what it is. Yeah, that's calm. Easy learns. Bias. Bias has been pretty good recently, but then also like this was the only position. And how could I have been in on this? The only way is pretty much with divergence is always strong, I mean, so it's pretty good. Breaker structure kind of shit, but all the other signs are good. Like we have 1 minute inverses here. Like when it inverses a 1 minute, even if I want to get a short here, that's definitely bearish by then. 57. Wait, does that happen on ES? It happens here. So like inverse on the way up, then inverse on the way down. That's a crack up. Yeah, when you get an inverse and then an instant respect, that's normally pretty good actually. Then if I wanted to wait for further actual breaker structure, which would have been like fucking, oh, it's so bad. It would have been at like 7 o'clock. Fuck that. that's so shit. But I was saying, what time is this? Yeah, it would have occurred here, the breaker structure, and then yeah, actually I should have probably waited for this shit. But then also I had that bullish bias, so because it was coming to these equal bottoms. Fuck, okay, that's good to see actually. Yeah, even if you, yeah, waiting for the actual breaker structure properly still gives a good ass entry. Of course it does, it's the fucking strat. It's just the bias, that was the only thing today then. This is all fine, the only thing was bias. Okay. And then I would have shot for like some order block down here. Like this shit. Nah, that's way too far. I wouldn't have shot for that. Maybe, I don't know. It's alright. Anyways, that's that. So the only thing for today was bias. Yeah, that's calm, easy.